There you are. April, you're there, are you? Huh? Want to see outside? Okay, see. April is in my son's room, looking through his window. Enough? Okay. Now what are you going to do? What are you doing now? Want to go downstairs for a while? Come. Let's go downstairs then. Come on. Come on. You always watch me, don't you, babe? April? Come on. Come. Come. Let's go. You want to go here? Okay. April. Come. You want me to go out first, okay? Soon going to be clear, done. Soon going to be clear, April. Then you can go out even further. I know you like it all like this, so you can climb over everything, but it's got to be cleared. Come. 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 What's there? What are you looking at? I've been waiting for the council for 3 years to get my garden done. They're finally coming now. But I just cleared that much for now. It's beautiful though. Just like all the Sri Lankan videos I watch. I love it, but obviously it's got to be cut down a little bit. It's not jungle, it's a garden. I haven't got my slippers on, babe, to go any further. If I have my slippers on, we can take a walk down the path. Maybe tomorrow, eh? Part 2. Tomorrow. Hope the sun's out though, as it is now. It's not cold. You coming? Come then. Come. Come. Oh, sit there. Let me try to get down. Whoa. Okay, that's it. I'm up now. Come on. Come in. Come on. April. April. Come. April, come. Come on. Now where should we go? Huh? Now where do you want to go? Do you want to sit outside? Come. Sit outside. Come. I cleaned the garden yesterday. Looks much better, eh? See that? It's all nice and clean. That's the water. I rain water to water my plants. April, don't jump behind the wall and go under the bed like you did last time. All night long, overnight, and I found you the next morning at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I couldn't tape it because I couldn't find her. Come on. April, come. Now you don't want to come in. April, what are you doing? Huh? No, you're not jumping that wall. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come. Come. Okay, I'm going to shut the door then, okay? See what you do then. Yeah, I knew you were going to come in. If I shut the door. Come on, upstairs. Up, up. Say hi to the camera. Come then. April. Come bathroom. Come into the shower room. Come on. April. No, you want to go. You want to go into. Hi guys. Come on then. Come on then. This room's got everyone's stuff in it still. Needs to be cleared properly. Okay, now I'm going down and I'm going to sit down, okay? Alright guys, part 2 tomorrow, the garden adventure. Bye for now. One love.